It's just really storming really hard and the tornado sirens are going off.
Really?
Yeah. It's fine. I'm playing Minecraft. It's cool.
Just going in creative mode. Wait, where's the other iron?
I'm sharing.
Wait, what if this isn't good? Hold on. Weather forecast. Uh-oh.
Be fine. Dying is a part of life anyways.
Why can't you shear a baby sheep?
It's fine that there's a tornado warning, right?
You really want to shave bald, like, or do you want to shave babies?
Radar.
Yeah.
About it, Matthew.
Can you guys hear the tornado siren?
Wait, be quiet. No.
I think yeah, just talking we can hear it.
Well, it's fine. I've never seen a tornado. It's fine.
Oh, bro,
Oh, yeah,
I just I just heard it.
I think my sister's texting me. I swear
Hey,
these
Taz,
tornado sirens don't shut up. It's
Oh, I heard
fine.
it now. That was loud.